This is in Chamberlin Hall. I can't really tell what these used to be in terms of the brand. Maybe Westinghouse or Dover? Oh yeah, I think Dover. Yeah, I think Dover. I'm gonna have to look maybe and see if I can tell. These might have been Northerns. Actually, that's pretty plausible that these were Northern. I think they might have been. Can we see it all? There's really nothing that's giving me a clue as to what these might have been. That blue suggests Dover though, so maybe Dover? Anyway, that's it.